All right, I could not be more excited to set up my budget planner again. My Happy Planner big size hole punch arrived from Amazon, so I'm very excited. And I am going to be utilizing this tool notebook. I love this cover. I have had it for so many years, and I got it at Office Max or Office Depot. I think they're the same. I did get mine at our local store. I did not order it online, but I do believe they had this online, but this is a limited edition. However, I can tell you that they have brought back the limited edition a couple of times, so they do sell this periodically if you're interested. And I am going to get ready to hole punch, which you see here. This is my made budget workbook. I am giving this budget kit away entirely free on my YouTube channel. So make sure you check that out and you subscribe over there because I will be giving away lots and lots of freebies. And I'm just gonna start punching this to fit the Happy Planner that I'm using it. Well, actually it's a tool notebook cover, so there's really nothing Happy Planner about it. I used to take my Happy Planner out of its cover, out of its laminated cover, and I would put it into a tool notebook cover just because it was more sturdy and I thought it looked a little bit more sophisticated. But I don't have a big Happy Planner any longer, so I am just using my own printables. And if you're interested in seeing this, I do have videos about this as well. This, I have not done a video yet on. This is my 2024 home and work edit planner. I am so in love with the way this turned out, and I'll probably be doing a flip through, but this has cover pages, month on 2 pages, all that, but I'm very excited to be using this. And like I said, I'm going to do a separate video where I do a complete flip through of the planner put together in its entirety. This hole punch, it means business. It is not easy to use. So you can probably hear my dogs in the background. They are getting ready to have their dinner. But I'm very excited to get back into my old way of doing things, but with new designs. So I took the template that I used before and shared before, and I completely updated it with some new artwork and design elements, and I just kind of used the same skeleton layout to make something new again. So I'm very excited to be going back to this old system, this old process, because it worked for me. I love the layouts. I love using a calendar on 2 pages, and I love using a paper planner. I just think that it's really nice to refer to. I like a paper planner for everything, not just budgeting. Now, I do have an Outlook calendar at work, you know, Google Calendar as well, but to me, there is nothing like using a good old-fashioned paper planner and putting pen to paper. I love buying pens. I was one of those kids who loved school supply time, and honestly, growing up, I never grew out of it. I love school supply time as an adult because I can go stock up on some things, highlighters, pens, folders, all that stuff to use in my home office and also my office at work. So I like things to look a certain way. I like to write with certain pens. I like to, you know, just kind of do things my way. And so that works for me. All right, so I'm done with my planner. I think it's like 48 or 52 pages. And now I have my June budget kit, which is the exact same thing as the May budget kit. The only real difference is the calendar and the cover page. But the reason why I am adding this to my planner right now is because I pay our bills a month in advance. And I also have a video that I uploaded here and on YouTube about how you can do the same thing with a system called sidestepping. So taking the mindset out of baby steps and using a concept called sidestepping, which is just what I'm calling it, because you're not really getting ahead. You are just giving yourself some breathing room or some wiggle room to pay your bills every month. So I have to empty this and then I'm gonna put everything together, and I'll be back with a separate video where I do an entire flip through. If you're interested in this kind of content, please follow for more.